How to fix Vodafone SIM card network problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Vodafone network SIM card network problem. So guys, I will show you some step to fix the problem for Vodafone SIM card network problem. So guys, let's get started. Let's go to the device settings. Here is it. And then first of all, you can see here aeroplane mode. Just disable this here, and then just put on just on the airplane mode, and then you can switch off your phone and then plug out the SIM card, and then again you can plug in and reopen the device. The problem will be solved. And guys, if the problem doesn't work, then you can see here dual SIM and cellular network. Just click on dual SIM and cellular network, and then you have to click on your SIM card. You can choose your SIM card here, and then you have to enable this, and then you can wait for a while, and then just see just click here, and then just see your network will be in a searching process. Wait for a while. Just click on the SIM card, and then you can see here carrier option. Click on carrier option, and your SIM card will be in a network searching process. So it will take some few minutes, so wait for a while. They will send you a network list. Just select it, and you can fix the problem in this way. So now I'm going back. If the problem doesn't work, I will show you the again another tips. You can see you have to go to additional settings or more settings. You can see here additional settings. Click on additional settings, and then go down. You can see here backup and reset. Just click here, and then you have to press on reset to factory settings. Click here, and then guys, keep in mind that you have to click on reset system settings only, not in clear all data. You have to click on reset system settings only. Just click here, and then you can reset here by putting your typing your password here, and then go back. Your problem will be solved. And guys, if the problem doesn't work, then I have again another way, so I will show you. You can see here software updates. You can go to about phone, or you'll find the option here. So just click on software updates, and then wait for a while and see whether there is anything for the updates. You have to update it to switch off your phone, and again re-switch on, and the problem will be solved. So guys, these were the tips to solve the problem for Vodafone SIM card network problem. So guys, if the problem doesn't work, then it must be due to the technical error from the telecom company of Vodafone. So guys, please contact to your customer care, and then you can solve the problem. Thanks for watching.